Let's take a look at how to find a reference angle. Remember that a reference angle is always drawn to the positive x-axis. So if here's my axes, if I'm in quadrant 1, I would drop a perpendicular here. This is my reference angle. In quadrant 2, this is my reference angle. In quadrant 3, this is my reference angle. And in quadrant 4, that's my reference angle. So your reference angle is always to the x-axis. It is always going to be between 0 and 90 degrees, and it is always going to be positive. Find the reference angle for each of the following angles. So I'm going to sketch my angle first. 0, 90, 180, 270. So 240 is going to be in here. This is 240 degrees. I have to go back to the x-axis. So if I draw a triangle, this part in here is my reference angle. So I'm going from 240, this is my 240, back to the x-axis, which is 180. So 240 minus 180 is how you'll find that tiny little reference angle in there, and you should get 60 degrees. So this angle in here is 60 degrees. Our second example is 315. So I have 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So 315 degrees falls in here. This is 315 degrees. If I were to sketch a triangle, this part in here is my reference angle. So I'm going from my terminal side of 315 to my x-axis, which is 360. So 360 minus 315 is going to give me 45 degrees as my reference angle. If you were to reverse these by accident, you would have 315 minus 360. That would give you a negative number. And remember that a reference angle is always a positive number between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So that's your check. If you get a negative number, something went wrong.